Oh, kinder, ma'am. Kinder una, ma'am.
To our highly competent and enthusiastic members of the BL and Lefty Senior Elementary School faculty, to the proud and loving parents, students, visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning. Welcome to the BL and Lefty Senior Elementary School Recognition Day with the theme Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. To formally start our program, may I request everyone for invocation and the singing of the national
and staff of BL Angloco Senior Elementary School, parents and learners, a pleasant morning to all of you. Today is a very special day. We call it Recognition Day, a day wherein all your endeavors and hardships are acknowledged. Not just all our learners, but also to parents and teachers as well. Inyuhan ning adlaw, hindi lang sa inyuhang anak, sa mga tao na behind sa success ani inyong mga anak. Walay lain si mama, si papa, si lolo, si lola, ang mga nag-alaga sa ilang. Kung wala sila, hindi ka ani inyong anak. Kaya susunod, buwanin sa sulahan, walay tao, di ba? So, diatiman ninyo. Salamat sa pag-atiman. Karoon ang adlaw, makapika ninyo resulta sa inyong pag-atiman sa inyong mga anak. Sa akong mga maestra, congratulations teachers, because without you, kamu ang tao behind the success of this little one. So, congratulations. I know how you toil. For this, I want to say congratulations to teachers, parents, and to you, learners. For this is your day. Suffer this moment of success. Success siya, sa iba siguro bata pa man, pero asa magsugod. Matod pa sa advertisement, great things start from small beginnings. So, naana sa inyong pagtuto, pagmatuto, samtang bata pa sila. So, thank you for nurturing them, mga maestra, mga parents, or guardians. So, suffer this moment of success because this is for you. Dili kami sa ilaha, ilaning ihatag o balik sa inyo parents. Kaya kamuman ang naghago behind aning recognition na nadawang nila karon. So, once again, congratulations and good morning.
Panasihan, star reader, budding mathematician, artistic hands, neat kid, eager giver, fast chop, batang maasahan, courteous kid, and active thinker. Altoria Micaela.
Guys, nangita mi sa naong guys. Saan man guys?
Oh, so one picture, one.
Picture. Sama si Mama Gina.
Oh, picture sa one.
Ah, si Mama Gina. Ay, dala si Mama Gina. Dara. Si Mama Gina. Where?
Pagpausap ni Mama Gina.
50 mo ba? 50. Oh, pangitain yung mga nawong. Barato lang, barato lang. May remembrance. Uli na ta? Di pa mo muli, gang. Di pa? Di pa mo muli. Asa mo ato dito? Kau. Kau. Nasi masih dito? Kau. Ato dito. Kok kayo masih kau?